Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello and welcome to your Business Bites. I am Dashan Hendricks.
The Jamaica Public Service has reiterated its call for the government to ban the importation and use of incandescent bulbs in Jamaica. JPS CEO Michel Gantois made the call as he addressed a Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association JMEA forum last week.
We have also championed for a while now a ban on incandescent bulbs, and those are very wasteful light bulbs. They even use sometimes here, not just for lighting, but for heating, to be honest. But they cost a lot of money, and they need a lot of fuel to be used. We hope that the government would finally ban them, as they've said they would do for a while. So we need to push them a little bit more on that. That would be one more source of fuel efficiency.
The call comes as Mr. Gantois urged Jamaicans to be more conscious of electricity wastage in the face of higher energy costs with the war in the Ukraine. He said though Jamaica is not seeing any cuts in fuel supply, the situation could change rapidly if suppliers start diverting fuel to Europe to fetch higher prices than are on offer in Jamaica. GraceKennedy says it aims to export half its manufactured products by 2025, up from 30% currently. CEO of GraceKennedy Foods Division, Frank James, outlined the plan at a JMEA forum last week.
To do so, we need an agricultural sector that provides competitive pricing, reliability of supplies. If you don't have the product to provide these major retailers, the Walmarts, the Publix of this world, and you get delisted, it is very difficult to get back in. So we can't say, oh, sorry, we don't have it this week or this month. So reliability of supply is key, and consistent quality.
Mr. James, however, said science must be put behind the agriculture sector in Jamaica to ensure reliable supply. And trading will start today on the global commodities market with a barrel of oil going for $104.69 after posting a 2.6% rise last week. Natural gas has also gone up, reaching $7.24 per million British thermal units, which is double the price it was for a few weeks ago before the war in the Ukraine.
And those are your Business Bites, a wrap of the top business stories of the day. I am Dashan Hendricks.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.